Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to start displaying the profile data from Firebase. So let's start coding, and the first thing we need to do is to go to our user service. We already implemented this function fetch current user that enable us to fetch the current user, but as you probably already know, this function is only called in our auth service when we do the login currently. I don't, let's check it. I think after the login, yes, this way. We are, in that case, we are fetching the current user. But if we are already logged in, we are not going to fetch the current user. So to fix this problem, we need to go to our user service, and here we add inside the initializer, we add the task, and here it will be try await fetch current user. This way, when the app starts, even if we don't need to do the login, we will fetch the current user. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, the second thing we need to do is inside our feed view model. We need to use our function of fetch current user. So here we need inside our initializer, or before our initializer, we need to create a current user. So it will be at published var current user of type user, which will be optional because it can be nil, of course. We will import combine. So let's import combine. And now we need to listen to the changes that comes from our user service. So here it will be user service dot shared dot dollar current user dot receive. I apologize. Dot sync, I meant dot sync. Here it will be current user, and to avoid retain cycle, it will be weak self. Okay, and here it will be self dot current user equals current user, and we will store it dot store inside at cancelable. So here we need a private var cancellables equals to set of any cancelable. Okay, perfect, and store it inside cancellables. Okay, let's add s, and it will be inside cancellables. Okay, perfect. Here now we got the current user, so now we need to go to our let's check to our profile. Okay, and here we need to go to our profile header view and start loading the user. But first thing, as you can see, we are using an image, and we need to download and cache the image. To do so, we will use a library called Kingfisher. You will have the link in the description. Kingfisher, as you can see, it's a lightweight, pure Swift library for downloading and caching images from the web. We will use this library, and the main reason for us is to cache the images, because if you already showed the image one, you don't need to reload it. It helps a lot in terms of performance of your app. Okay, and we will copy this link. Then, the same as we did with Firebase, we will go here, we will add package dependencies, we will paste the link, we find it, we click on add package. A lot of people also work with SD web image. It does the same, but I'm honestly more used to Kingfisher, but it's the same. Okay, and we click on add package. Okay, perfect. Now inside my profile header view, I will import Kingfisher. And now you see this view model dot. Okay, for some reason he is not seeing Kingfisher yet. Maybe we need to build the project. Okay, finally I think he's seeing it. Sometimes Xcode can be a little bit buggy. Anyway, I will do it this way now. I will have a Z stack. Okay, I'm not saying this is the best way, but it's an easy way for a beginner and it does a good job. And first it will be no profile, it's an image by default inside my asset folder, and it will have the same modifier as the cover image. Okay, and above this image I will use the Kingfisher. Here I will have kf image. It will be with a URL, and here it will be okay. I think there is a little problem. Let me check. Sorry, kf image. Okay, perfect. And I think a URL with a string, and here we will use our view model dot current user dot profile image name, and if it's nil I will give it an empty string, and I will take the same modifier and pass it here. Okay. So what I'm doing in reality in this Z stack, I'm showing the image with the view model. In case he is not showing the image, you will see the no profile, who is just because our kf image will be above this image. That way we handle the case when we got an image and the case when we don't have an image. Okay, perfect. Now we will do the same thing for profile image. So here it will be a Z stack, and it will be image with no profile. It will have the same modifiers, which are these ones, and then I will have kf image and with the URL, and the URL will be a URL with a string. And to be honest, sorry, I think I made a mistake to give it the profile image name, and it should be here the cover image name, because it's here where we will use the profile image name. So here it will be view model dot current user dot cover image name, and if not it's empty, and I will pass the modifier. And of course we can get rid of this long modifier and use and implement a reusable view modifier like we did in many times in our app, in the component folder. I think, yes, we got a number of view modifier. We can do the same, but not now. Okay, now here we are using view model users 0.first name. It will become dot current user, then dot first name, and if not an empty string, and here also dot current user, check dot family name, and if not it will be also an empty user. For friends.count, I will add it in the next video. We will start adding new user in the next video and add them as friends and as friend requests. But for this app, I think that's all we need to do. So let's build the project and see. Hopefully everything will be working perfectly. So let's check it. Okay, let's wait for it. And Finger crossed, everything will be working. Okay, perfect. So if I click on it now, and I think there is a problem. The good thing, the name and first name and profile and family name are correct. This one is also correct. It's the cover image, but this one is wrong. It's not the profile image. So let's see why it's not right. Oh, I think. Okay, I think I made the mistake to give it the cover image name twice when it should be the profile image name. So now if I rerun it, hopefully I will have the cover image name and the profile image name. So okay, it was a silly mistake from my part, but hopefully now. Okay, perfect. In the previous video, what was the profile image we uploaded to Firebase. This one was the cover image we uploaded also to Firebase. This is our first name and last name, so or family name. So perfect. In the next video we will add also the friends, the count, our friends, and probably in the video after we will start uploading posts and fetching them. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.